Okay students, now let us study about outbreeding. Outbreeding. As we discussed in the first session, outbreeding there are three types. First one is outcrossing. Outcrossing. Now what is outcrossing? There is no much difference between inbreeding and outcrossing. What is inbreeding? I told you. Inbreeding means cross between same breed, having common ancestor. Whereas outcrossing is also cross between same breed. It is also cross between same breed, but no common ancestor. No common ancestor for 4 to 6 generation. Breed is same. Okay, breed is same. In simple meaning, if I want to tell you, family is not same. Okay, one member of one family, another member of another family of same breed. Okay, so common ancestors are not there, but breed is same. Then we call it as outcrossing. Now what is that cross breeding? Now what about crossbreeding? Crossbreeding is cross between different breed. This is entirely different. It's a different breed. Here breed is same, no common ancestor. In inbreeding, breed is same, common ancestor. Whereas here crossbreeding, cross between different breed. Cross between different breed. So there is slight difference between outcrossing and crossbreeding. Now third one. Okay. What is that third one I told you? Interspecific hybridization. Third one is interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization, as the name tells, it is cross between two different species, not only breed, two different species but related species. Now what is that? Two different species, related species means, one simple example I'll tell you. If you can cross between horse and donkey, you can go for cross between horse and donkey, but it is not naturally, it is artificially done by the scientist. Okay, they fuse two gamete of horse and the donkey. So here horse is different species, you forget about breed. Horse is different species, donkey is another species, and two related species are crossed, we get a new type of offspring. For example, in this case we get mule. Mule has character of both horse and donkey. So this is what we call interspecific hybridization. But remember one thing, only related species. You cannot cross horse with cat. You cannot cross donkey with a dog. They are not related. Suppose, okay, for curiosity, if we have to cross a dog, which is the nearest relative of dog, it can be fox, it can be wolf. Suppose tiger and lion can be crossed. They are of related species. Tiger and lion is crossed to get tigon. Lion and tiger, male lion and female tiger is crossed to get liger. Okay. So like this, you know that in botany you have studied, that is, see here, potato can be crossed with tomato. Potato and tomato can be crossed to get what? Pomato. This is what we call interspecific hybridization. I hope now it is clear for you. These three, outcrossing, crossbreeding and interspecific hybridization, are the three methods of outbreeding. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the concept of inbreeding and outbreeding.